In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a jigsaw puzzle using Canva. We'll move from a blank canvas to a printable, cuttable puzzle you can assemble at home, and I'll share tips to make the process smooth and clean. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design with a custom size. For a square puzzle, 2000 by 2000 pixels is a great example to work with. A custom size gives you control over how large your final puzzle will print, and a higher pixel count helps keep the image crisp when you put it on paper. Next, head to Elements and use the search bar to look for puzzle or puzzle piece frame. You're specifically looking for frames. These are special shapes that let images snap inside them. Pick a puzzle piece frame that fits the style you want. Some have rounded edges, some are more classic. Choose one that matches your vision. Now build your puzzle grid. Duplicate the puzzle piece frame multiple times, then resize and rotate each one so they fit together like a traditional puzzle. Arrange them to create the number of pieces you want. It helps to zoom in while aligning edges so the seams are tight and consistent. Take your time here. A neat grid makes everything else easier and ensures the finished pieces connect nicely. Add your image next. Upload a photo you love, or choose one from Canva's library. Drag and drop the image onto the first puzzle frame and it will snap right into place. Repeat this across all the frames. You can use the same image throughout to create one complete scene, or mix in different images for a fun collage effect. Double-click inside any frame to reposition or resize the image so parts of the picture line up seamlessly from one piece to the next. If you'd like to enhance the design, search Elements for puzzle-themed graphics, add text, or apply a background color. Keep contrast in mind so your border or background doesn't overpower the image. Subtle accents can make the final print look polished. When you're happy with the layout, click Share, then download. Choose PDF print for the best quality. This format is ideal for sharp, clean lines around each piece. Finally, print your design on cardstock so the pieces are sturdy, and carefully cut out the individual puzzle pieces along the frame edges. Take it slow for smooth curves and snug fits. Then assemble and enjoy your custom puzzle. Thanks for watching.